How to place an order on Walmart.com. Ready to shop on Walmart.com? Let me show you how to place an order in just a few easy steps. First, search for what you need. Use the search bar on the Walmart homepage or app. Let's search AirPods. Browse through the results and click the product you like. Check the detailed price and reviews before adding to your cart. Click Add to Cart. You will see a pop-up confirmation. When you are done shopping, click the cart icon at the top right corner. Review your item and click Continue to checkout. If you are not logged in, sign in or create a Walmart account. Enter your shipping address, choose delivery or pickup option, and select the payment method. Review your order and click Place Order. And that's how you place an order on Walmart.com like a pro. If this helped, hit like, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment and subscribe for more quick shopping tips. Happy shopping!